In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove homepage on Shopify. If you want a clean, minimal landing experience or you're preparing a new layout, this walkthrough will show you how to clear the homepage content quickly and safely. Start by opening your Shopify store. This takes you into the Shopify admin, where you manage everything about your storefront. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store. You'll land on the Themes area, which controls how your site looks. Now click Edit Theme. In some versions of the admin, this button may appear as Customize, but it opens the same theme editor. You'll see a live preview on the right and a sidebar on the left with a list of homepage sections. Your homepage is built from these sections, so removing the homepage essentially means deleting or hiding them. In the left panel, click a section you don't want, like a slideshow, banner, featured collection, or text block. Then choose Remove or Delete. Confirm if you're asked. Repeat this for each section you want gone. If you're not sure about permanently deleting something, look for a visibility toggle or an eye icon to hide it instead. That way, you can bring it back later. You can also open a section and remove specific blocks within it if you only want to clear part of the content. Watch the preview as you go to make sure the page is becoming as minimal as you want. Some themes may show placeholder content when all sections are removed. That's normal in the editor. What matters is that the sections listed on the left are removed or hidden. Keep in mind that elements like the header and footer are theme-wide and may remain visible. You can still click into them and remove blocks inside if your theme allows, but many stores keep these for navigation and legal links. A quick tip while you work. Using the Undo button in the editor can reverse your last change before saving. Also, deleting sections here does not delete your products, collections, or pages. It only affects what displays on the home page. Once you're satisfied, click Save. If you're editing the published theme, your live homepage will update right away. If you're working in an unpublished theme, the changes are saved there and won't affect your live site until you publish that theme. And that's it. Open your Shopify store, click Online Store, click Edit Theme, remove or hide the sections you see, and click Save. You've now removed the homepage content and created a clean slate for whatever comes next. Thanks for watching and happy building.